Now when taking off the intake bolts, there is a sequence that's recommended, which is the 2 bolts in the back, then the 2 up front, and then the second ones from the back on both sides, and the second ones from the front, so on and so forth, and then until you get to the middle. So it's outward working inward, taking the bolts off. And in the back, you're just going to have to kind of feel for it. You can't necessarily see it, but you know, like I said, it's these bolts here. You don't have to take the fuel injector assembly off. It should all come off as one assembly. And one thing I did leave off was taking this off, which you just push these tabs in and then take this so it's not connected to the fuel line.